Alright, so this thing is fucked.
Yep. Literally fucked.
Literally fucked.
We're gonna see if it's a rebuild or it's a whole new engine. Worst case scenario, whole new engine.
Yeah, that's worse for sure.
Best case scenario, we can rebuild it.
We're gonna have to look in here
That's all it is.
to see if there's like a fucking hole in there. Because all the smoke was billowing out of this area right here. It could have been just this, but it's best to just check this whole area out. So we're gonna take all this shit off, take the headers off and everything to get a better look at it.
And to get to that, we gotta release this shit.
If not, then just a rebuild.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
I'll save me some money.
Right? Fuck. Alright. Let's get to the root of the problem. See what the fuck went wrong.
Everything.
Alright. Let's start taking shit off. Alright, valve covers off. See the light?
Valve 3. That's where it came from.
That one looks fine.
That's it.
Yeah, it's valve 3. Or cylinder 3, actually.
So, valve.
Yeah, that cylinder, that piston shouldn't be there. Yeah. Because this one's top dead. This one's top dead. This one's bottom dead, so this one should be bottom dead too, but it's at top dead, yeah. This one's fucked.
We'll see what caused it.
I don't know if that can be seen in there or not, but
Before we get any further, we should probably drain the engine oil
yeah.
and the coolant. Here we gotta remove the auto tensioner.
Goddamn.
Then remove the throttle cable.
That's right here.
That's what it says, yeah.
Alright. Fuck. That's no way now. So yeah, that's why it shut off that one time. Because this fucking piston seized up. And it just stayed there.
We'll see. Yeah, we'll have to get it.
We'll get this off, we'll lift it, then we'll drop the pan. Drain the oil first, obviously.
And the coolant. Which I think it's this right there, right? Is it not right here?
Yeah, I think so. Alright. Got the car lifted. About to drain the oil. Might as well take the oil filter off too.
Yep.
And then drain the coolant. And then go from there.
Maybe we should drain the coolant first. I think it's that.
Do you have somewhere to dump the coolant?
I'm just gonna dump it in there.
Oh, fuck, it's not actually worth to use it anyway. Oh yeah, it's at an angle a little bit.
Yeah. Whew. Let's get the fuck. Okay. Let's get it. So much coolant.
It's gonna take a while for this shit to drain. Fly, box, fly.
Okay, after the engine oil is disconnect the air control solenoid and valve connector. Number 5.
I think we already did that.
I did, right?
Yeah.
That would be. Would it be connected to the fucking air?
To the the fucking air tank.
Move this. Oh fuck.
Oh shit.
Okay.
Guess it was fucking plugged or some shit.
There's oil.
I can see.
Glad we brought a towel.
It decides
What
to
the
fucking
fuck?
pop. It's probably clogged or some shit.
That's not good.
Nope.
Is that why it wasn't getting coolant?
Maybe he hadn't had a coolant flush in a long ass time. Probably a bunch of shit in there. Caught up and then, yeah.
Fuck it. I swear to God.
Man, why do you buy cars from stupid people, dude?
It might be trash now, but.
Yeah, we'll make it better.
Huh?
We'll make it better. We made that
Trust
Subi.
me. Look, the Subi, look at it now.
Yeah, we made that shit way better. So we're draining the oil right now. We got the heat shield off. I'll cover off all the wiring. It's off to the side.
Drain the coolant.
Coolant is drained.
And let's just say there was
Yeah, there was
plastic in the coolant. I don't know how that happened, but
some fucking shredded plastic in there, keeping it from draining. That's why it just popped. But yeah.
that was new oil, but now it's old. I wonder what this looks like inside.
I'll look at it right now. So let the oil drain first. Watch, we could probably take that off right now too. Fuck. No, we probably can. Fuck.
What was it? Take it off again?
15, 16, wasn't it?
I thought it was a 1.
The one?
Yeah, wasn't it? A big old flat wrench or no? Well, that's that wasn't to loosen it, was it? That was just to torque it, right?
We could use it for either. I got a 1-inch right here.
Yeah. Was it or no? Oh, that's right. It was open end. Yeah?
Yeah.
I guess. There it goes. God. Bloody hell. Oh.
Shit.
Got the filter off. Doesn't look too bad.
Oil's still draining.
Is it? Oh, yeah, it is. It's still draining.
Progress.
I'm just gonna leave this stuff right here because that's where I had it.
Progress.
Yeah. Okay, wait. First, right after that was the engine oil, right? There's disconnect the air control solenoid valve connector, then remove the vacuum hoses B and the air cleaner hosing intake air ducts.
Yep, I already did that.
Which I did.
Yeah.
And it says move the auto tensioner A to remove tension from the alternator belt. B to remove the alternator compression belt. Then
Tensioner A.
to tensioner B. Right here. Yeah.
This
Tensioner
one?
A to tensioner B.
Yeah. Okay.
And then right after that, then we remove the throttle cable
Okay.
by loosening the lock nut.
Yeah.
Take care not to bend the cable when removing.
For sure. Sweet. So we're doing that now.
Yeah.
This one looks fine. Good condition.
I don't remember which one that was. That was cylinder 1.
This one looks fine.
That one was cylinder 2. The back 2. Cylinder 3 and 4. No, that's 4.
This one also looks fine.
There's cylinder 2 and 3 that were.
This is a little older than the other two, but still fine. This one, however, yeah,
Cylinder 3.
a lot of oil. All these bits and pieces and shit on here. Yeah, this one's fucked. And we already saw why it's fucked. This piston is
Now
stuck.
it's just taking everything apart
Yeah.
and seeing. Well,
I already saw the problem.
yeah, well,
Yeah.
we want to dive deeper to make sure what else is going on.
Now it's just seeing whether it was the fucking. What is it?
Valves.
Not the valves.
Piston.
Fucking, yeah, the piston shaft with the connecting
Could be
rod,
valves too. You know.
or the rod cap. It came off one of those points. It's just a matter of fact seeing where.
There's so many shit that could have caused this.
Oh, I think I know how. There it goes. Go full watt. Going full watt right now. With that butterfly valve just opened up all the way. How's it looking? Yeah, I'll come around the other side. You see. Going what?
It used to.
Yeah, let me see.
Watch it be 10. I already tried to try
I already tried 10. That was the first one I tried. 12.
12 and 10, it looks like, are always on.
12 and 12.
It was 10, 12, 17 has been on the Subi and the Honda.
Yeah.
Son of a. Almost every bolt is 10, 12, or 17.
I know.
You think by loosening this, now there's no tension on there?
I don't see why the fuck that thing moves a throttle cable.
Who knows? We'll see, right? It doesn't really say. It's just...
I mean, the next step after that is the fucking cylinder head, isn't it? This has nothing to do with it.
just to relieve tension. Who knows? I don't know. Okay, we'll just follow it.
Yeah, we'll just do what it says. It certainly knows more than we fucking do about this car. Alright, that's off.
When VTech was working. That's it. Alright.
Alright, so
You missed it. There's a lot.
taking a lot of shit off. Took all the wiring off, as you can see. All of it has come off. Took this fucking hose off. Took the windshield wipers off and the cover so it could reach. Mount.
Get to the
Throttle cables off. What else did we take off?
I forgot what it's called. The water outlet.
Yeah, all these
Hose.
hoses back here. This one.
That's the air hose. We remove the air hose.
This is here, here.
I try to remove the water bracket right now.
Fuel rail is probably the next thing. Yeah, let's just take the fuel rail off right now.
Is that what it was?
Yeah, because we're gonna take the manifold off. We gotta take the fuel rail
Yeah,
off.
it says, bypass. That's it?
We need to take that shit off. The fuck?
No. Just that.
This? We can take the manifold off. Regardless, it's gonna come off with the manifold. The fuck do we need to take it off for? What kind of fucking
Bypass
instructions are this?
Honda.
This one, saying to take this one off.
Yeah. Makes sense. That's why that has to come off. That's what I mean? Everything leads to one another.
Yeah, but some of that shit is unnecessary. It's just tedious. Like the fucking suspension in this.
figured we just followed it just in case. Just in case.
You know how long it would have taken us if we followed the instructions on the K&N filter?
Oh, I'm not worried about K&N.
Look at this. Oh, it's fucking cruise control. Take this off.
Good, dude.
Ooh,
You good?
Ooh, you scraped my skin.
Okay, okay. I got myself good earlier.
Alright, it's coming out.
Okay.
Oh, there we fucking go.
I got myself good earlier.
Damn. Yeah, I fucking saw that.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
Alright, that's off. Now what?
Something tells me we should take off the evap's.
No, fuck that. Leave that shit there. Fuck it. TGI's bullshit. We need to. Alright, so we got the fuel rail off. That's the fuel rail. Goes right there. Got the alternator off.
Yep.
Which went right here. The fucking.
I can't even remember what it's called right now.
Name, goddamn name escaping right now. But yeah, those pulleys go right here. We got those taken off.
Just to get to the bottom bolts.
And yeah.
Oh!
Take off the intake manifold. We got these
Bracket.
top bolts off. Took the manifold bracket off. Now we just gotta reach these bolts down here.
Down
that
here.
one, that one, that one, and there's another one down there. But
A lot easier now than it was.
yeah, we're struggling to reach the bolts.
and we
just
ripped
ripped this off. Yeah, and this hose right here.
We gotta replace one.
We ripped the shit out of it, but we gotta back up. So who gives a fuck? But yeah, I think we're gonna pull the manifold off and then call it a night. You think?
Yeah, we got food cooking. So.
Yeah, So we're just gonna pull the manifold off.
That's all we can.
Evap system is easier to reach now.
Oh shit. It is. If we need to take it off.
Yeah, we'll see now. But yeah, we're gonna just pull the manifold off right now and then call it a night.
Yep. You got it.
Fuckers off. They don't want to fucking come off, but we got it off.
That's not easy. Wasn't easy. Fucking all.
Jesus Christ. Jesus fucking
I don't know
Christ.
why you gotta make it so difficult, man. Why?
We got it though. Here's an S2K manifold. Intake manifold. Oh shit, we're on this right here. There it is. Can't see it very well, but there it is. There it is. A lot of wiring, a lot of hoses,
A lot of work.
a lot of fucking patience. See, like we fucked this one up. This solenoid up.
Oh, I did.
Yeah.
Hey, you
It's
know.
supposed to be taken out like this one's fucked. That's the same one. I think it's the same type as the one that was back here. That was like right here.
Yeah.
That had to take off. I think it's the same as that one. Where's that one with the little white tab on it?
I'm still trying to figure out where the fuck that.
Oh shit, that fucking wrench?
Yeah.
Oh shit, where'd it go?
I don't know. I don't see it.
Went to Narnia, dude.
I think it fucking went back here, man.
Probably over there by the transmission well. Is it one of my wrenches or yours?
It's one of yours.
Fuck.
Yeah, so I was like, I tried to catch it. Well, that's coming out tomorrow, isn't it? Or whenever. We can fucking get to it.
What's coming out? Oh, the exhaust manifold?
Yeah. I'm sure we can reach it then.
I'm gonna come tomorrow after work. For like an hour or two after work. I'll probably just swing by, take that off, and then bounce.
Okay.
I'm fucking tired. I had like fucking 4 hours of sleep last night.
Fuck.
Then I got work tomorrow.
Hopefully I see it. I don't see it. Fucking around.
Yeah, it's most likely in the transmission well.
Of course it is.
Maybe it ain't fucking right. I mean, the fucking starter's right there. Jesus Christ, God forbid your starter ever goes out.
Fuck.
But yeah. Alright, we're calling it a night.
Yeah, I'm fucking hungry.
We've been here for like 6 hours. Alright. Alright, so. Exhaust manifold's off. I wasn't here for it, but.
Took like a couple minutes. It wasn't too hard. Actually, that was easier than the intake by far.
I fucking bet.
This is like the hardest part was getting it out. Just trying to make room.
Oh, shimming it out.
Yeah.
We could just dropped it under, no?
No.
Oh, no, yeah.
Like it was like this much off. Just a tad off.
Down. Oh, we could get a good look at the hole now.
Oh, yeah.
There it is. Right there. That's the hole. Can't see very much on the inside from here, but
There's a hole.
based on the hole, it's pretty fucking bad.
Anytime there's a hole in your fucking.
Right. And another friend noticed.
We're hoping that's not true,
Yeah.
but
The liquid gasket here looks fucked, but this also looks like a perhaps aluminum gasket
we're hoping
in
it's
place. The only thing is I can't seem to spot the aluminum gasket on this side. If it's even there. Oh yeah, no, yeah, the gasket's over here. It has a gasket. I could see it.
Okay.
Yeah. It probably has liquid one too, but only on this side. Not over here. That's probably why this side is like completely fucked.
Are you sure that's not oil buildup?
And then looking inside the intake, you can see some oil buildup on cylinder 3, the one that got fucked up. Yeah. See the valves in there. Intake gasket's okay. But yeah, we're gonna drop the oil pan right now. Take a look at the crankcase and
He's come off.
see the damage. You want to take these off on? I can't tomorrow. Tuesday?
That's fine.
Tuesday.
Those come off pretty quick. It's.
Oh yeah, it's just these fucking bolts, huh? Just gotta take them off in a specific pattern and these studs. But yeah. Yeah, I think that's just shit from that we moved off.
I can imagine the damage.
Yeah. These cans are okay. That's good.
Everything looked good up top, like just
Yeah, except that. Down there.
That. Ow. And that.
Oh yeah. And this fucking,
That's it.
I don't know if you can see that down there, but the piston is in top dead position.
It's definitely see it.
It should be in bottom dead position like this
Cylinder 2.
piston. Yeah. But it's not. Yeah, this one's
Cylinder
fucked.
1 and 4.
Now some of the 1 and 4 should be top dead center. 2 and 3 should be bottom dead center. This one is bottom dead center. But this one isn't. Wait, it goes 1, 2, 3, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah.
They were counting 1, 2, 3,
3,
4.
4. Oh,
When
okay.
it's supposed to be.
Well, the fucking so it says it right there. 1, 2, 3, and fucking 4.
And then there's the.
All right, gonna get our shit. Get the tools. Drop the oil pan right now.
We'll see what that looks like. Well, I think we drained all the oil.
Let's see the inner damage. Yeah, we drained most of the oil. There might still be some, but
A little bit.
yeah, it won't be enough to like
Some resin.
cause a splatter. Yeah. All right, we're gonna do that real quick, and then
I'll let you know.
we'll come back with the results.
Hopefully, decent results.
Yeah. All right, I'm down here trying to get the oil pan off, but the AC compressor had different plans. This has to be a bitch to remove. But anyway, all right, yeah, I'm down here. See all the bolts, keeping the pan up. Just gotta loosen those real quick, take them off, and then drop the pan.
They're all below, huh?
Yeah, they're on there here. We got a good look at what happened in the crankcase. And you'll all see how that fucking hole was made.
I guess we're kind of just taking this apart for fun now because the plan is to get a whole new engine.
Yeah.
Maybe in the future rebuild it, or whoever wants it, come take it.
I mean, we could rebuild it, just fucking fix the block. Which will be a bitch to do, but we can still do it.
Guys, it's online.
But yeah, alright. We're on that right now. We'll be back. Alright. On today's episode of How Fucked Up is Fucked Up.
That's fucked up.
It's fucked up. I don't know if you can see it in there, but... Oh wait, no, I took them out, huh?
Yep.
Little fucking pieces of the connecting rod.
Right here?
Yep. Right there. Right there. Look at that. Look at that shit.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Now I'm just gonna get up real quick. I'm gonna pull the pan out. Ooh. Yes. Look at that. Beautiful such. Alright, hold on, right?
Oh, there it is. Oh, that's most of the shit.
Yeah. Here's a rod cap. Yeah,
I think the support that went to it.
yeah, it's the bottom of it right here. You can see the bolts for the rod cap right there.
It's all the pieces right there.
More rod cap.
Shards.
More rod cap. And even more.
That's just shards.
And this is just shards from in there. Yeah. Beautiful. Alright. Put this off the side and put it down there, and I'm gonna look in there. See what I find. Alright, get this light real quick. Alright. Let's take a look, see.
What do you see?
Holy shit.
Ah,
Okay, yeah, connecting rod is broken.
okay.
It broke in half in the middle.
Makes sense.
The fucking crank pin is grinded up to hell. And yeah, you can see the hole right there. The hole in the block is right
So
there.
it's shot down there and shot over there.
Yeah, it broke off the middle of the...
They get ricocheted off the fucking...
Yeah, it broke off from the middle of the connecting rod and it just bounced up against the fucking block. And just made that hole.
So it probably broke it, ricocheted down, and...
But yeah, you can see the fucking crank pin, dude. That thing is fucking grinded to hell. And then the hole, yeah. Piston looks like it's seized up. Even the fucking cylinder wall is grinded up because of the connecting rod flying around.
That makes sense.
This thing's fucked up. We can get a better look at it by taking this off though. Yeah, let's take this off real quick.
Yep.
Alright, we'll be back. We'll get a bit more in-depth look right now.
Even though we know what's going on.
Yeah.
Nice!
There it is.
Is that it?
Yep, there's that hole.
Cylinder fucking 3.
There's all the scarring up on the cylinder wall. There's the fucking hole. There's all the scarring on the crank pin and on the fucking
crankshaft itself. There's a connecting rod up there. You can kind of see it.
Sort of.
Yeah, it's split in half, and then you kind of see the cylinder walls are all grinded up like hell, too. Yeah, this is.
Go on.
Yeah, this is fucked up.
New engine. Here we come.
But yeah, that's what it should look like. That's what it looks like. If you look down here, you can see piston number, was that 2? Is down there. Piston number 3 is way the fuck up there where it shouldn't be. And right there, you can see the rod right there hanging off. Yeah, this is fucked up. This is a new engine. Flat out. Ain't no saving this baby. There's absolutely no saving this fucking thing. Alright, owner, it's your turn to look at it.
I'm gonna send it to that dude. Like, hey, what the fuck were you guys doing?
Brace yourself, because this shit is, it's fucking wild, dude. Where's my beer at?
Honestly, at this point, I'm not even gonna be surprised. Dude, I've seen some weird shit. This one just probably topped the cake. Oh, what the fuck is... What am I fucking waiting at? Oh! Hey, beautiful. What the fuck is going... God damn! I've had some rough sex. What the fuck? So that's what it's supposed to look like.
Yeah. We were in the car when this happened.
Beautiful.
We were both in the car when this happened.
Oh, I have to send a video to that dude.
Yeah. Fuck, dude. Yeah. There's no words. I just can't find words to say. This is just fucking unbelievable. Yeah. And over here, got the rod cap and the bolts in pieces. Part of the connecting rod right there. Yeah, it's fucked up. Signing out. Yeah.